वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावध आनी भलायकीन. तर आयज आमी गाबोळ्यो भाजया आनी ह्यो गाबोळ्यो म्हाका बांगड्यान सुट्या मेवल्या. सो ह्यो टोटल एका बांगड्यान अश्यो 2 आसल्यो. तर 1 2 3 4 5 बांगड्याच्यो गाबोळ्यो ह्यो. सो आमी हेका आतां मीठ घालया. ह्यो प्लेन भाजूया. तुमकां रवो जाय जाल्यार रवो पण लावं येता. सो थोड्यांक रवो लायता आनी थोड्या हांव प्लेन भाजता. आनी एक लिंबू घालया. सो दीज आर fish roe of mackerels and this is from Mackerel. So I have added little bit of salt. Then this is ginger garlic paste. And I will squeeze 1 lime. This is small but this is our homegrown lime. So we'll squeeze this. Then we'll add some chili powder to this. Some turmeric powder and coriander powder. And we fry this. And coriander powder half teaspoon. Little bit of cumin powder I will add 1/4 teaspoon. And we mix this very gently so that it gets coated to everything. And then we'll fry this. You can fry crispy fry or you can fry however you want. Shallow fry, crispy fry. Coat some with this and some we will fry without coating rava. So 2 I am coating with rava. And the other one I will be frying like that only. Okay. Okay. Oil is ready. Now I will just fry this. And it is quick. I've taken very less oil to fry this. So this is done. Now I will fry the rava one. Same oil. Enjoy.
And it's ready. Goan Gaboli fry with lacha pyaz. Looks yummy and tasty, ready to eat. Thank you.